Hello guys! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang guys sa ating channel. At pa-like ng video na ito, pa-comment sa baba. Yan, ma-appreciate ko lahat ng yan. Start na natin ang reading. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Messages para sa mga Earth sign. Okay. Judgment is here. Ace of Wands. I feel like something shocking happened sa'yo. So, may something na nakapagpagulat sa'yo. And not only you are not prepared, but maybe itong bagay na ito nakapagpa-excite, at the same time sa'yo. Like, you want to know more, you want to know more, you want to know more. And might be, meron, I don't know, maybe a message, your Page of Cups, na maaaring na-receive mo, na ito nakapagpagulat sa'yo, tapos gusto mo pang malaman yung more pa dito sa bagay na ito. And some of you may mga bago kang ginagawa ngayon sa sarili mo regarding this. For me, it looks like an awakening of something. Pwedeng namulat ka sa katotohanan, or maybe something is revealed to you, no? May nabalitaan ka, or may sinabi sa'yo, may nag-message sa'yo, and this cause you to feel excited. Nakikita natin na gusto mo yung nakita mo, nagugustuhan mo yung nalaman mo. Maybe it's a good news for you, and you want more. Okay? And I feel like it's a big secret na pwedeng nalaman mo or na-reveal sa'yo. And because of this, pwedeng nagising ka, or naliwanagan ka. Okay, so anyway, who is this person that you're dealing with? Kung hindi ikaw itong side na ito, huwag mong kunin yan. Dito ka sa kabila, okay? Kasi pwedeng magkaiba-iba yung roles, at pwedeng magkapalit-palit, depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. Okay, sino tong person sa side ng person mo? Sino tong person na ito? Main energy niya, spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Earth sign. Okay, you do have your Death card and then 9 of Cups. I'm seeing a person na gusto nga niyang ikwento sa iba, pag-usapan yung tungkol sa experiences nyo, pag-usapan kung ano yung nangyari sa inyo. And I feel like this person is sharing yung mga stories with regards to you and sa past ninyo. Or maybe with the Death card, this could be a person in the past, pero hindi ka pa niya tuluyang nakalimutan, pero nandun yung natanggap niya na kung ano yung nangyari sa connection ninyo. So that's why this person is proud, actually proud, and like marami siyang masasabi with regards to you and your connection. Kumbaga, with the Hierophant, this could be a teacher or a person who has taught you a lot with regards to life and everything. And the 10 of Wands, this could be a person na marami siyang responsibilidad, marami siyang obligasyon. But with the Page of Pentacles, I don't mind, parang ganun. I can handle all of this, parang ganun. Yung energy ng person na ito, kaya ko lahat gawin, lahat ng responsibilidad, obligasyon na yan. What I want now is my happiness. Diba? And might be this person, meron siyang plano with the 2 of Wands and the 2 of Cups. And might be it has something to do with an ending with the Ten of Pentacles. So, pwedeng mayroon siyang plano regarding something na gusto niyang i-end. Mismo, might be, ending of a situation, career, pwedeng ganon. Kasi the Ten of Pentacles, this could be something, na may kinalaman sa career or something legal or documents or, parang gusto niya nang i-end yun. And might be isa pa ito sa maaaring na-reveal sa'yo or nasabi sa'yo is pwedeng may kinalaman sa gusto niyang i-end. And might be itong person nito is planning something na pwedeng may kinalaman din sa connection ninyong dalawa. May plano siya sa connection ninyong dalawa. And, anong emotions niya sa isa't isa? Okay. Ano ang emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Please tell me, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Okay, you do have your Justice card and Page of Cups. I want to clarify this. What's with the Justice card and the Page of Cups? Page of Pentacles. What is the energy of your person? Sa side naman niya, emotions and nararamdaman niya sa'yo, sa connection ninyo, sa whatever, no? Kung ano man nararamdaman niya. I want to clarify the Ten of Swords and the Eight of Wands. Knight of Wands. Okay. I feel like but sa inyong dalawa, ikaw yung nakikita natin medyo immature pagdating sa emotions. Like, maybe, part of you, gusto mong umalis, lumayo, tumakbo sa connection na ito. Or tumakbo sa realidad about your connection. But part of you, pwedeng hindi mo kasi alam kung paano i-handle, kung anong gagawin, kung anong role mo doon, kung ano dapat mong gawin sa connection nito. Like, you don't know what to do. You know, honestly, pwedeng, some of you, yung connection mo na, kung ikaw ito na may pagpapakipot, nakikita ko nga nagpapakipot, lumalayo, umiiwas. And you do love, yung effect nito sa person. Parang gusto mo na ikaw yung hinahabol, gusto mo na, kasi you know na hindi naman siya titigil, parang andyan lang siya. And the more na nararamdaman or nakikita mo siya naghahabol, the more na you feel so, happy. Part of you feel happy, you're having fun, diba? Masaya ka sa ginagawa ng person ito. And, I don't know, you do love the feeling. Now, with the Page of Cups and the Page of Pentacles, so, nakakita ko ng mga unread message. You should check your social media or email. Nakakita tayo ng mga message niya na maaaring hindi mo binubuksan. So, maybe there's an important message for you. Or, nakakita tayo ng message na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. Kung hindi pa ngayon, maybe soon. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw ito mismo magta-travel or someone is going to travel papunta sa'yo. Four of Cups is here, so definitely wala kang ginagawang action dito sa situation or sa connection ninyo. You feel like maiintindihan ka ng person na ito. So anyway, whatever this shocking truth or something na ni-reveal or i-reveal pa lang sa'yo, na ikinagulat mo, I feel like you feel a lot of happiness, excitement dito. Nai-imagine mo actually yung person mo eh. And actually, sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung anong gusto mong mangyari because the way I see this, you're just being playful. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Sa person na ito, this person wants to end something. Parang with the 8 of Wands, nagsasurrender na siya. Parang pagod na ako, ayoko na. Parang ganun. Gusto ko na lang mag-end kung ano man ito. The Knight of Wands has a lot of passion for you. Yung gusto niyang mas mapadali yung paghahabol niya sa'yo. You could be dealing with a chaser and you are the runner here sa inyong connection. So, gusto niya mapadali kung ano man yung paghahabol na ginagawa niya sa'yo. Kaya might be, may mga endings na willing siyang gawain or pwedeng nangyari na para mapadali itong nangyayaring paghahabol sa'yo. So, gusto kong malaman anong gusto mong mangyari ba dito sa connection nito. Ano bang gusto mong mangyari? Kasi sa part na ito ay King of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. Anong gusto niyang mangyari? Sorry, this is for you too. Ace of Cups. Sa part naman niya, anong gusto niyang mangyari? Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Okay. And you do have here the angel number 666. Ayan. 666 is an angel number for you. Anuhin mo yan? You search dito sa Google kung ano meaning nito and whatever mag-resonate sa'yo might be that is a message for you. 666. Ngayon, and also 77 is showing here. 77. Angel number 77. Yeah. And a lot of ending, a lot of number 10. So that is an ending card. Ending number. Okay, so maybe there's something na gusto kong i-end or dapat mag-end para magkaroon ng growth sa iyo or sa inyo. So, ang gusto mong mangyari, King of Cups, you want to, I feel like you want to follow your heart. No? But, with the Seven of Swords, I feel like you want a person na bibigyan ka ng halaga or pahahalagahan ka. And with the Two of Pentacles, I feel like, I don't know if you have other people or other options here. But definitely, one of this person ang mas minamahal mo or mas gusto mo. Tell me about this. What's with the Two of Pentacles? Okay, the Two of Wands. But some of you, maybe you don't know what to do, who to choose. Sinong pipiliin ko? Hindi mo alam. Diba? Pero, pwedeng ang gusto mo or yung subconscious mind mo, ang puso mo, alam mo kung sino ang gusto. Pero, sa sitwasyon, pwedeng hindi mo alam kung alin or sino. Okay? The Knight of Swords is here, so some of you, pwedeng ang tinitignan mo is kung saan ka may mas pakinabang or kung sino yung mas nagbibigay ng pagpapahalaga sa'yo. Okay. The Six of Swords, ang gustong mangyari ng person nito is, gusto niyang, if this is a person in the past, gusto niya maka-move on. And with the Six of Pentacles, gusto niya ng equal give and take. Like, if I'm giving here sa connection na ito, magbigay ka din. I'm willing to take it. Parang ganun. And with the Hermit, might be itong person na ito wants to parang gusto niya magkaroon ng journey or dito sa connection ninyo, gusto kanya makasama. Gusto kanyang makasama, gusto niyang, kumbaga gusto niya ng journey with you. Another adventure with you. Ikaw yung nakikita niyang gusto niya makasama. So, anyway, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? You do have here the Five of Cups, the Three of Cups is here. Wheel of Fortune and the Moon. Isang card pa. The Four of Cups. Okay. Sa side ng person mo. Yan. So, nagpakita na naman sa atin ang actually, 4 na 6 ang nakita ko. This is supposed to be 9. Oh, there's the number. 69. Pero, ang nakikita ko kasi is 666. More on number 6. But, anyway, this is the number 69. I will read this card ng ganito. Naramdaman ko yung energy dito ng number talaga na 69. So, I will read this as 69. Okay. Pero yung angel number 666, talagang nagpapakita siya. 666, 4 na 6, 3 6, and 2 6, something to do with 6. Three of Pentacles na Hangman. So, actually, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal, pero ito, kukunin ko siya as reversal, naramdaman ko yung energy ng reversal. Okay, in the future, Six of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. This is may kinalaman pa rin sa High Priestess, which is, I don't know, maybe a person na may spiritual connection ka, or a person in the past. Okay. Kailangan mo may gawain eh. If you want changes, nakikita natin, gusto mo ng changes, kailangan may gagawain ka. Okay? Kasi kung pababayaan mo lang na napapalibutan ka ng mga katoksikan, kung wala kang gagawin sa connection, walang mangyayari. It feels like you need to do something. Diba? You need to do something. With the Moon, this is what you really want, what you really like. Diba? This is your secrets. The Moon is about your emotions, unconscious mind, intuition, and mood. Kasama rin yan. Nakakita tayo ng takot for some of you. Mother and children kasama dyan sa The Moon na yan. So, if you want to get out sa isang sitwasyon with the Five of Cups, medyo malungkot, masakit. If you have to, alisan, I can say Scorpio energy, and mag-take ng risk, ikaw lang ang makakapagbago ng future, or kung saan ba talaga yung gusto mo. The Three of Cups, these are friends. This is maybe reconciliation para sa iba. Maybe kailangan mong makipag-reconcile sa iyong friend, or there's this energy na in the future, there's a friend na pwedeng magkaroon ng reconciliation or pagbalik sa buhay mo. Pero yun nga, with the Wheel of Fortune, kailangan mong um, magawa ng changes. May magpapatrigger may magti-trigger ng changes na yun. Or yun nga, may pwedeng ito na yun ito na yun, nagpapatrigger ng changes. And pwedeng it has something to do sa mga bagay na nakapagpagulat sa'yo, na-reveal sa'yo, nalaman mo, etc. Kung itong taong to ay ini-imagine mo, iniisip mo, pinagpapantasyahan mo, why not put this person into a reality? Kasi hanggang kailan ka magpapantasya, hanggang kailan ka mag-iisip, hanggang kailan ka hindi magiging totoo sa sarili mo. You know, this is like an advice for you. If you want to, you know, live your life to the fullest, maganda yung wala kang tinatago sa sarili mo. Kasi sarili mo na lang yan, alangan niloloko mo pa, di ba? With regards to this person, in the near future, nandun yung paghihintay sa'yo. This person still keeps on waiting. And I mean, lalo na kung may soulmate connection kayo. Naghihintay pa rin siya. Naghihintay pa rin siya. And kung ano man yung mga dapat mag-end or gusto niya mag-end sa buhay niya or dapat mag-end once na ikaw ay bumalik sa buhay niya, this person is ready na i-end yun or mag-take ng risk regarding sa bagay na yan. King of Wands, this person is very patient. Alam niyang wala naman siyang ibang pupuntahan And in the future, gusto pa rin niya ng chance with you. So, sabi ko nga, itong connection is nasa sayo. Nasa sayo. Kasi nandiyan lang naman siya, naghihintay. Nandiyan lang naman siya. This person is manifesting you. This person is always watching you. Lagi siya nakasubaybay, nakatingin. Every move. I feel like you really do like teasing this person. Gusto mo siyang inaasar or what. And ito yung message na nakaka-intriga. No? The message is the number 69. And you know, that is a yin and yang energy. 69 is a yin and yang energy. Magkabaliktaran yan. Some of you, this could be a twin flame connection. Madalang ko makita yan dito sa card na ito, guys. Sa deck na ito, the yin and yang, and this is actually the first time na nakita ko siya as a yin and yang. Nine of Swords and, the 6, ayan, nalito ako, diba? Nalito ako sa number. The 9 of Swords is in reverse, and the 6 of Wands is in reverse. Parehong in reverse So, sa nakikita natin dito, in the future, there's a tendency, you know, the yin and yang, if you're dealing with the twin flame, possible na magkaroon ng union or pagiging isa sa connection ninyo. Do you know, the yin and yang is like parang magkabaliktaran, and you might complete each other in the future. High chance. There's a high chance na makukumpleto ninyo ang isa't isa. Actually, hindi high chance definitely makukumpleto nyo yung isa't isa. Yung katagalan, nasa sa part mo, nasa side mo. If you're dealing with a twin flame, union is going to happen. Especially kung laging nagpapakita sa yung angel numbers na yan. 69, 6666, 77, yung mga nabanggit kong angel number kanina. Union is going to happen. Kahit anong gawin mo, union is going to happen. You are meant for each other. Para kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? You are the exact, eksaktong tao or tamang taong mag-fit sa buhay mo. Okay? Kukumpletuhin niyo yung isa't isa. Ngayon, yung tagal, ikaw ang maghahawak nun. Diba? Kasi pwedeng nasa sayo kung hanggang kailan ka magiging ganyan. Hanggang kailan ka dadalhin ng takot mo, ng undecided energy mo. And kung kailan ka willing i-release yung mga bagay na dapat i-release sa sarili mo. Ikaw ang may hawak niyan. Okay? So, yeah. Last card for you. You do have the Strength card. Like what I've told you. Kailangan mo lakasan ang loob mo. This is the person for you. Wala kang choice para siya sa'yo. Wala kang magagawa para siya sa'yo. Especially, I mean guys, this is a twin flame reading. Hindi ko yung nakita nung una, pero ngayon, it's definitely a twin flame reading. If this person is toxic, this is not for you. Huwag mo ipilit. Maybe this is just a false twin. Pero alam mo yun kung hindi naman eh. No? Yeah. I mean, dalawa yung taong nakikita natin dito sa picture. Let me show you guys. The other one is young, beautiful. Ayan. And the other one is old. So, this is like showing to me as kayong dalawa. Diba? Pwedeng kailan, kasi ang ending is makakompleto nyo pa rin talaga ang isa't isa eh. Pero kailan? Pag ngayon na habang medyo bata pa kayo or pag may edad na kayo. So, yun lang. Mamimili ka lang dito eh. Saan mo gustong mapunta or kailan mo gustong mapunta sa taong to. Kasi you will definitely end up with this person. Yan. Have courage. Kailangan mo lakas ang loob mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.